little gap in between your both legs. Go to juncture and just relax it. But keep pushing your hip down and keep pushing the spine against the floor. But mainly focus on your hip, monk swan. And just enjoy this practice for 2-3 minutes. Our today class is focused on the back care. So we will go some very gentle practice, which is mainly focused on the back. Even some therapy posture for taking care of your back. Make the back strong, healthy, flexible. Focus on the breath. Inhalation and exhalation. Whenever you feel stiffness or you feel tired with your spine, so you can take this position. So this is a very good therapy to give relaxation to your spine. At your home, you can use some kind of blanket or some pillow under your spine, like here, especially in the lower back. Yes, please take one. Just a few more seconds here. Hang on for 1 more minute. Everybody, gupchan, bend your legs, lift your hip and take out the cushion onto your back. Take out. Take out. Yes. Push your hip down, monk swan. Now gup high chan, monk high chan. Bend your legs and hug your knees. Keep press your knee to the chest. Same like before, pushing your hip and your spine against the floor. It will give the stretch especially to your lower back. Open your arms, your shoulder level, jantai. And drop your knee, left and right side, Samchai, Samphai. Just for a minute. Take it slowly. to chai, to five. Little slowly movement, so that you can feel more and focus more. Just few more seconds. Okay, relax here and take a butterfly position. Bend your legs, your feet together, and just move the knees on the left hand side. Just very gently move for your hip stretch, because back has a strong connection with your hip and with your core as well. So we need to also work on it. Just very gently. Just continuous. Bend your legs and keep your legs straight. Gapchan, Thangchan. Your right leg up, Chan Phai Lane, and hold your right leg with your both hands. Hai Tai Nam Ko Chan Phai. And just literally try to pull your leg to your side. Koswa, drop your head down. Just stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Bend your right leg, Gapchan Phai. Hug your right knee, Om Chan Phai. Keep pressing your knee to the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now co-lane, lift your head up and just try to touch your right leg. But remember, anybody has a neck pain, down O, so home control. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Chan Chai Lane, your left leg up. We are going just step by step. Most of Chan Lane, just a little lift your leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so relax, come back. Chan Suam, Thangchan, relax. Your left leg up, Chan Chai Lane. Hold your left leg with your both hands and just a little pull your leg to your side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bend your left leg, hug your knee. Gapchan Chai, Om Chan Chai. Keep pressing the knee to the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your head up, all in. Just try to touch your left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chal filing your right leg up just a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, relax, come back. Your legs straight, counter, relax your hands. Again, chan filing your right leg up. Hold your right leg, high thigh number, chan 5. In this time, lift your head up, pull in, and now try to touch your right leg. So this is depends on you how maximum you can pull your leg to your side, but in the very gently way without pushing yourself too hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Pose 1, drop your head down, and now bend your right leg here only. Maintain your knee to ankle aligned and hold your right foot. Good. Keep pulling the knee to your armpit side. 1, knee outside in your armpit side. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. So once again, up chan 5, om chan 5. Bend your right leg and hug your knee. And now drop your right knee on the left side. Yes. Look opposite side. Stay for a while. Opposite side. So it will be twist your spine and your stomach, your abdomen. Stay for some time. So these are the very, very gentle stretches, and these are the very basic practice. And now relax. Come back. Relax your legs. You relax straight, hanchan. Chanchai. Left leg up. Hold your left leg with your both hands. Pull your leg to your side and pull in. Lift your head up and then try. Try to go near to your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Koswam, drop your head down. Gap Chanchai, bend your left leg and hold your left foot only. Maintain the same thing, your knee to ankle align and keep pulling your knee to your armpit side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gap Chanchai, Om Chanchai. Bend your left leg, hug your knee first, and then drop your left knee on the right side. Stay here. Normal breathing. When you hold the pose longer in a comfortable position, so it will be more beneficial. The stretch will go more deep inside. And now relax everybody. Come back. Both legs straight. Tangent. Now both legs up. Hai Chan Lane. Gup Hai Chan. And your both hands from inside and hold your both feet here. Same. Keep pulling the knee to around mid side. Yes. And if you want to move, so you can move on left and right side. Try 5. So this is Visana baby enjoying pose. You can see they usually the small kids, the babies, they usually enjoy in this practice. So it is also heal your spine and of course is work on your hip stretch. It's a very gentle practice. Just for a while. Few more seconds. Relax. Tangent. Keep your both legs straight. Relax first. The next will go in the bridge pose and it's some variations. Only bend your legs, Gup Chan, and your both hands side of your hip. Inhale, then lift your hip up, Mong Leng, hip out. Thighs are more small. Push your hip down. Inhale, now up. You have to try to keep pushing the chest to your head side. Exhale, then down. Inhale, then up. Exhale, then down. Inhale, then up. Exhale, then down. One more time, inhale, now up. Good. And now just stay here. If you can, so put your both hands on your back. Om Hai Tai sound. Hands on the back. Om Hai Tai sound low. The another thing you have to focus your elbow. You have to keep your elbow inside under your back. But do not lift your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax first. Come back once more. Hip down. Bend your legs. Hug your knees. Gup Hai Chan. Om Hai Chan. We'll go again. The same practice. Mong Leng. Lift your hip up. I'll give you the option. Hand side of your hip or under your hip. Inhale and exhale. Lift your hip up. Mong Leng. So this time, Chan Phai Leng, your right leg up. Lift your right leg up. Same. Lift your hip up. Keep pushing the chest to your head side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A bit little challenging. Chua Song. Keep your left leg straight. Thang Chan Chai. Maintain the same position. Yes, Thang Chan Chai. 1, 2. You want to use the spot with your hands, so you are allowed to do it. 5, and now 6. Relax everybody. come back. Relax, relax, come back. When you're using the hand, so it is giving a more support to your spine. Without hand, you need to be a bit strong with your core and with your spine. So we'll go the same practice on the other side. Again, bend your legs, gapchan. Inhale and exhale, then lift your hip up, Monglen. Okay, better you use your hips. But when you use your hands, you have to be taking care of your wrist position, elbow inside. Now, Chamchai, your left leg up, maintain the position, elbow inside, pushing the chest to your head side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now thumb, Chanfai, right leg straight, maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Okay, so relax, come back. Relax, relax for the seconds. Everybody inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and then exhale. Again, Gabhaijan, bend your both legs. Monglen, lift your hip. Same position, bridge pose. Again, Om Hai Tai Saulu, hands under your back. Take the position first, elbow closer. Lift your hip, pushing the chest to your head side. And now, two, slowly, thang hai chan. Keep your both legs straight. Home chan names. Okay, you can try. Okay, you want to practice other variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so relax everyone. Gapchan, Hong Swan, and now Gap Haichan, Om Haichan for the relaxation. Keep your both legs straight, thang chin. Chanfai lane, your right leg up and drop your right leg on the right side. If you want to hold your right leg with the right hand, you can. Or little just pull the leg to your side. But at the same time, keep pushing your hip down. You can see when you're dropping your right leg on the right side, your left hip is trying to going up. So you have to keep in your mind that you have to keep pushing your hip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Right leg up, Chanfai lane. Drop your right leg on your left side, opposite side. You can hold your right leg with your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax everybody. Come back. Thangjan. Relax your legs. Your left leg up. Chan Chai Lane. Drop your left leg on the left side. Same thing, you can hold your left leg with your left hand. If you want to pull your leg a bit more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, your left leg up, Chan Chai Lane, and drop your left leg on the right side. Just stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. Come down. Thangchen, your legs straight. Open your arms, your shoulder level, jump thigh. High Chan Lane, your both legs up. Good. And here, drop your both legs on your left side. Look opposite side. But your legs a little bit up from the ground. Mocho Chan Lane. Little bit up. It will work on your back, of course, on your core. 1, 2, lean 5, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Gap Hai Chan, Om Hai Chan. Bend relax at your knee for relaxation. Again, both legs up, Hai Chan Lane, Jang Thai, open arms. And now drop your both legs on the right. And look opposite side. You take the spot from your arms. Keep pressing the palm, pressing your shoulder, control your core. 1. In case somebody has especially the lower back pain, so they should avoid this practice. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Inhale, exhale, relax. Gap Hai Chan, Om Hai Chan. Thangchen, keep your legs straight here. So we will practice now the very simple, gentle, the half fish pose here. That is a good practice for your upper back and for your neck region. But in case somebody has a down core or upper back pain, they have to avoid it. This is just to make your spinal strong, but already have painful, so do not do it. So everybody gap thigh, drop your hands near to your head. Same like in practice in the wheel pose. So only you have to be lift your upper thumbs up, only upper back, and drop your head down here. You home? Yes. Just stay with the support of your arms. Lift up with the support of your arm. Then try to lift up. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Come back. Please remember, sometimes practice is also depends on body conditions. This practice is good to increase the flexibility and is good to make your upper back and your neck stronger. But in case already have the pain, some injury, so we have to avoid it. We'll go the second time. Second time will be the optional practice. So once again, first take the first position. Drop your hands. Lift your chest, lift your head, and then take the position of the half fish pose. Head up. So now here the option is option 1, you still, are you okay? Huh? Tapdi? Option first, you stay there. Option high thigh line. High thigh line kong ro so kong kan. This is just the option. Option bar, high chan line. So these are the options you have. High thigh line, kong ro so kong kan. High thigh kong chan so kong sao. This all depends on your body ability. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very nice. Slowly come back. Relax. You can turn your neck left and right side. Go chai, go 5. Just for the relaxing your neck. Because in the neck, this is also the part of our spine. Both legs up, high chin lean, jang tai, open arms, your shoulder level, jang tai. Good. So here inhale, exhale, open legs, your sidewise, but maintain your hip position. Inhale, your legs together, chuk chan. Exhale, open legs, your sidewise. Inhale, legs together, chuk chan. Exhale, open legs sidewise. Inhale, chuk chan, legs together. Exhale, jang chan. Inhale, chuk chan, just 2 more times, in high lunge. Toes up, open leg sidewise, exhale. One last time, inhale, legs together, chuk chan. Exhale, open leg sidewise, and now just stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now see, now put your hands on the legs. Chuvasana, and now just try to a little move your hip and relax on the left right side for some time. The first practice we just focus on the build up the strength, your hip, because sometimes hip pain also can be cause of the back pain. Sometimes even the tight hip can be cause of the back pain. Few more times. Okay, relax. Now high chin, low high chin. Bend your legs, hug your knees. Relax. Legs straight, thang chin, and everybody now suck, lying down with the chest. Just lying down. We'll start some very basic practice. So first, drop your both elbow. Maintain your elbow to shoulder aligned and just pressing the palm facing down. Lift up your chest front, pushing the hip down, and then try to look up. But taking care of your neck, not like sinking here so that you can relaxing but strengthening the neck, and then just try. One side pushing your arms, your elbow down, your hip down. Another side keep lifting your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Come back. Might be you all are fine, so you are feeling nothing in this practice, but just for your knowledge, for your information, anytime you suffer by some kind of the back pain, especially the lower back, so you can take this position for a while. So you will get the relief here. Back pain also has different kind of the back pains are here, but this is a very normal therapy. Okay, so we go the next one. Your both palm together and your both palm under your chest. Inhale, push your palm and lift your chest. Exhale, drop shoulder and the same, look up. So this is also depends on you. You feeling this is very easy, or you can do more. You can keep your arms a bit inside. But maybe for somebody this is difficult, so they can make a bigger gap. So it all depends. And just stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax, come back. We are trying to combine some therapy practice and some the normal practice. We go the second time the same, palm together under your chest, but this time we will do a little change. So this time everybody choke jump, your legs together, you feel the difference. But shoulder do not be squeezing, shoulder always open up, and drop the shoulder blade, and then come on, inhale and exhale, then up everybody. Try to be choke jump, legs closer. 1, 2, 3. When you keep your legs together, you have to bring more awareness. 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale and exhale, come back. Relax. Take one deep breath. Inhale and then exhale. Okay, so we go to our third practice. Third practice, put your both palms side of your chest. Both junction, a little open legs. The same thing we will repeat again. Inhale, push your palm and lift your chest. Your first thing, you have to keep lifting. The same we do in the back bending. So these all are the back bending techniques and the alignments. Lifting your rib cage, drop shoulder, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale and exhale, then come back. Relax. So the same practice we'll do again, repeat. This time same like before, your legs together, choke chan. Both palms side of your chest. Inhale, push your palm and lift your chest. Exhale, drop shoulder and your head. Tap chung lung, tap chung thao. Focus on your breath, on your spine. 1, 2. Mochuk gaptai kom sao. If you can bend your elbow, this is also okay. Main thing to using your shoulder and your spine. 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale and exhale. Come back. Relax. Now we go the fourth practice. This time a bit intensive, but you only try to follow your limbs. So same a little gap in between your legs, Mozu Jangchen. Both palms side of your chest. Everybody inhale, lift your chest, lean, exhale, drop shoulder and your head, Mozu Gappai, little bend your elbows. And now, Gap Hai Chan, bend your both legs here. When you bend your legs, so do not change the alignment, still maintain. You can touch your feet or not, doesn't matter. 3, 2, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale and exhale, then come back. Relax. So Chukchan, legs together. So this will be more intensive. Palm side of your chest. Inhale, push your palm, lift your chest. Exhale, drop shoulder at your head. And once again, Gap Hai Chan. Chukchan and then Gap Hai Chan. 1, 2, Mong Suang, hip down. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. From here, everybody come in the cat pose. Open your knee sidewise and then come in the child for a second. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, push your hip down. Again, lying down with the chest, Namsa. So the next practice is the kind of the back pain therapy here. Open your legs a bit sidewise, more, a bit bigger gap in between your legs. Both palms side of your chest. Inhale, push your palm and lift your chest. So this is all depends on your flexibility, because especially during the pain time you can be doing the normal back pain position, and then you just turn your head on the left, but you try to look up at your right heel. You turn the head on the left, but you try to gaze your eyes on your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, Nin Chan 5, 6, and now relax. Come back. Inhale, exhale, relax. Same other side. Inhale, push your palm, lift your chest. Exhale, drop shoulder, and now turn your head on the right side and try to look up at your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Inhale and exhale, then relax. Depends on the situation, even you can make more repetitions. Gap Hai Chan and Nam Hai Po Chan. Bend your legs, hold your ankle, half bow pose, inhale and exhale, then up. Now try to be stay here. So in this posture you can see your whole body is engaging. Your arms, your upper back, your mid back, lower back, your legs, your hip, even your core. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Inhale, exhale, then relax. Next practice can be an optional practice, because you know the one practice can be different for everybody. It can be normal, it can be intensive, it can be sportive, it can be therapeutic. So this one you can try if anybody. This is, I'm not forcing to you all. Garbhai Chan, bend your legs here and try to take the block in between the legs and then Namhai Kocha. Because when you take the block, so it will be intensive. If you can maintain your knee, feet together, closer, then you do not need the block. Here, yes. Okay, so ready? Inhale and exhale. Now up. Your block should be in between your knees or thigh. So here you can see, feel the difference here in your practice. 1, you have to squeeze your thigh. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax, come back. So it can be deep awareness in your spine. Same pose and different modifications. Okay, so we go the next, that is we say the locust pose, half locust pose. Still keep the block inside in between your legs. And high thigh, sound to your both hands under your thigh. Palm facing down. Inhale and exhale, then high chin lean your both legs up here. Keep pressing the block. Thang chin, your legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so relax. Come back. We'll repeat one more time. The second time. Again. Inhale. And exhale, then up. High chin lean. Your both legs up. Strong legs, hip, and strong spine and strong core. 1, 2. Make your spine strong. 3, 4, 5. And now 6. Okay, so relax every part. Come back. Both palms side of your chest and come in the child pose. Again for the relaxation for a seconds. A little open your knees. Sitting position. Thang chin, you are both legs straight. So this is our last practice of today. You just take a 2 block under your upper back and then just line it just for 2 minutes. Anybody is not feeling comfortable with the 2 blocks, they can try with the 1. Or if anybody has a neck pain, so they can take 1 more block under your head to just give the support to your neck. So this is just we are focusing on upper back, long chain. Elbow, and more block. Anybody need more block? It's okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, home. So this is a good practice for opening your upper back. Breathing normal. Focus more on your lungs breathing. Inhalation, try to with the expansion in your lungs. Exhale and relax. Just 2 more minutes, same high foot. North fold, 1 more minute. Feel the opening in your upper back, in your lungs. And now relax. Everybody first come in the sitting position and little push bend down. Thancha. Little push. You do not need to touch that. Just take it very easily. Be gentle. Now Nambua, lying on the back. Take out the blocks, Nordic blocks. Simply lying down on your back. A little open legs, relax your hands. Eyes closed. And just relax.